Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of What's in the Box. Today we're going to be taking a look at one of our favorite performance brake products for the 370Z and G37, the Z1 Brakemaster cylinder brace. Before we open the box, let's talk about what this product is actually designed to fix. When you press the brake pedal, the force applied is transferred through the pedal assembly and onto the firewall. Although it's reinforced, the firewall is still easily manipulated and will flex. When the firewall flexes, the braking energy is lost. Those of you who track your car or drive it hard frequently will notice this the most. Now that you know what you needed, let's take a look in the box and see what you get. So you get your detailed installation guide, hardware, and your aluminum brace. The installation is pretty straightforward. Just follow the detail guide inside the box. When you're finished with the installation, take it to a suitable place and test it out. That's it for this episode of What's in the Box, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below on what you guys like for us to cover next. Thanks for watching.